Oasis update number 4. We had 2 new lessons today. Let's cover them real quick. You can find them in the learning area. Up at the top, one's free, one's paid. The free one is very cool. It's in the Kabbalah section. It's from Rabbi Judah Lazarus. And I want to show you the one of the resources. Every single lesson has 2 resources. This one is really cool because it's a very cool diagram. So I would love for you to work that lesson, apply that lesson, and share your feedback, of course. Now, the cool part for the paid members in the inner circle, which is only 18 a month, or you can get some discounts if you check that out, it has a new lesson here on Lek Leka, the Torah portion. We are calling these learning immersions. They are not just lessons, and you'll see instead of a normal boring video or a recording here, what you have is actually, and you can full screen these learning immersions and really put yourself in the pilot's seat in the cockpit. You may have a little quiz here, find the right answers. When you do all this, I'm not going to spoil it, of course, but it's a nice little way to really remember and then get actionable, applicable knowledge that really sticks with you. So, anyway, take care. Have fun with that. Bye, everyone. Join the Oasis. Why aren't you in?